Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my skincare routine video which has been highly requested. These are the products that I've been using lately. Now let's get started. So I'm just starting with skin that I have not washed. I've not done anything. So first step is cleansing. I've taken my cleansing foam. The one I'm using right now is by Belif and I'm using it on my FOREO Luna 2, which is a cleansing device, and I love this because this cleans my skin in a much more effective manner compared to just what your fingers can do. And once your skin is clean, it automatically reduces chances of breakouts and it just gives you a more refined and a smoother, brighter complexion. And I like to use my FOREO and my cleanser in the morning as well as in the evening. After the cleansing on dry skin, I like to go in with the Face Shop White Jewel Peel, and this basically has these tiny cotton fibers which just help get rid of the dead skin buildup on your face. I've talked about this product so much on my Instagram. I love this, and this just helps me achieve smoother skin, brighter skin in a minute. So once my skin is cleansed as well as exfoliated, I use a serum, and currently I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I use this in the daytime as well, and this is basically a serum that helps hydrate my skin. I've also noticed my skin just stays more supple and overall just healthier when the serum is a part of my routine. It absorbs into my skin quite easily. It's not a very heavy serum, it's not like an oil, it's really lightweight, and just with this itself my skin feels really nice. And to help my skin better absorb the serum, I use the anti-aging massage side of my FOREO Luna 2. So one side is the cleansing side and the other side is what gives you the anti-aging action. It also helps in lifting your skin, firming your skin, and also reducing the look of fine lines around the eyes and the mouth. And with this, my serums just absorb so much better into my skin. Next step is a moisturizer. Now on days when my skin is not feeling very dry, I use the Forest Essentials Sanjeevani Elixir, and this is lightweight. It's not something that feels very greasy or very heavy, and yet it just hydrates the skin beautifully. And because I'm already using a hydrating serum, this much is enough for my skin on the days when my skin is not particularly dry. But some days my skin does feel really dry, and then I go in with the Embryolisse moisturizer, which is like a gold standard for moisturizers for dry skin. It's really good, especially in the winters when you experience flakiness, because this just takes care of all of that, and I would highly recommend this product. And then after moisturizer, I've been using this sun lotion by Forest Essentials, and I do like the consistency and how it smells and how it feels, but to be honest, it doesn't give you very good sun protection, so I would not recommend this. I was using this when I was in Paris and the sun wasn't strong, so I think I managed okay, but it's not recommended for the Indian summer. And then to finish off, I use a little bit of lip balm, and this is by Glossier. This is the balm.com in berry, and this is an amazing lip balm, and I love this. So that was my current morning skincare routine. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to link all the products below in the description box, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.